Since when does Bank of America get it right? Let's take a look at how eerily accurate one analyst was of the market correction we just experienced. You came here for the truth, so let me unveil that for you. Let's take a look back to 2017. Back in November of 2017, I did this video entitled "The S&P 500 will hit 2863 in 2018 and then crash Bank of America." So they were suggesting that this would occur, and it was very eerie to see the market topping out at approximately 2872. It goes to show you how things can really turn around. Now, I'm not suggesting that this was some sort of prophecy, but at the time, on the way up to 2872, there was a lot of negativity coming our way. I'll just scroll down here for a moment. You can see some of the comments that were made. I won't read some of the words here, obviously. Right here. You've been saying the market's going to fall for over 3 years. What happened? Well, the market fell 1,600 points in nearly an instant. And I'm not suggesting for a second that it won't continue to rise hereafter. I'm just saying, look at what happened. And look how quickly it all came crashing down. It may restore what it had before and continue to new highs, that's for sure. But the fact that this came down so quickly, at one point, 1,600 points, virtually in an instant. And many people were locked out of their trading accounts. They started halting trading on different platforms. So you couldn't get out even if you wanted to. And that was essentially nothing. Nothing was really happening. There was nothing significant compared to the underlying garbage that's in this financial system. So imagine, just imagine for a second that something real comes to the surface. Whether it's the derivatives, whether it's all of these government bonds that we happen to realize that, oh, well, actually the governments are insolvent. It could be anything. We're going to be locked out of our accounts, and they will have to do that in order to stabilize the system. Not good for the future. That's all I wanted to bring up with this video. Just wanted to show you how I talked about it in November. People were laughing, and then it happened. We'll see where it goes from here. I think it could definitely make its way higher. There's no telling how high this market can go simply because the Federal Reserve needs to act. They can act very aggressively at this time to show their muscle to make sure that the stock market goes higher. If they do continue to increase interest rates, as they plan to do, we're going to be in for a rude awakening. It should be very interesting to see. I would love to see this roller coaster continue. It's always very, very fun to watch. That's all for this video. If you found it informative, please give me a thumbs up. Last but not least, if you found the video informative, I know you'll find my books, The Money GPS, and my new release, Global Economic Collapse, even more informative. You can flip through these books at Amazon. Links are in the description below. Take care.